Hi, this is Daniel Todges with Pinpoint Worldwide. Thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to talk to you about a company that I've been working with for the last few months in the software technology space. They've got a very cool product. Not a lot of people know about it, so this video is to talk a little bit about what the product is and how it fits within the marketplace. The company is called Trackit Solutions, and Trackit's been around for about 8 years, but the primary business has been in audit services. So they've worked with some of the largest banks and some of the largest companies in the world doing audit services. But as part of their business, they developed a software application that runs on a ruggedized mobile tablet. And this is the thing that I'm really excited about. This ruggedized mobile tablet connects back into a back-end database, and the database has API connectors into service desk applications like Remedy, BMC, ServiceNow, HP, and they also have DCIM, Data Center Infrastructure Management, connectors into applications like Enlight and Aperture and Schneider. So they're really a middleware solution that's mobile that allows you to download information from both those systems. So imagine like a workflow ticket coming from a service desk, but data center rack elevations coming from the data center infrastructure management product, and combining those in a mobile tablet that then allows you to do all of your work within the cabinet space. So as I'm moving a cabinet around or changing a network connection, I can literally look at the DCIM rack elevation drawing, I can look at the work order, and I can move the rack from one position 1 to position 3 to position 4, and I can do that in a very visual way. And I can also then validate that the DCIM application is correct visually, physically, and that the service desk asset management application is correct. So as I'm doing my work, I'm also doing an inventory and a validation of that inventory. What I found in my work as a consultant in this space is that lots of clients that I talk to don't have a very good, high level of confidence that their data center infrastructure management suite is 100% correct. So this allows you to, as you're doing the work within the cabinet, validate all those things, do the work, and actually make the changes and then update those systems. The best part about it is it works in online or offline mode. So I could literally be offline in a dark data center, do the work, go back in, plug in, and it feeds all these systems. The thing I really like about it is that it's ruggedized and it's secure. So if somebody sticks this thing in their backpack and takes it home, it's not going to do them any good. It's a purpose-built application, runs on a Windows platform that then goes and feeds the database that then instantiates the other two systems. I've talked to a couple of big clients of theirs that actually use it to update 5 or 6 or 7 different systems, inclusive of their accounting packages and some of their compliance stuff that they do. So a very interesting application. I see a lot of products in the data center infrastructure management space. I see a lot of products in the service desk space. I don't see a lot of products that join those together in a really meaningful way. When I was doing some research with some of their clients, I also found out that they're telling me that they get a 10x productivity gain when they use the product. So to make those moves, adds and changes requires less people. They can do it faster and they get more done. So huge productivity gains, and it's not a super expensive product to go out and buy. So I urge you to look at it. The company's, again, Trackit Solutions. Very cool technology. If you haven't looked at it, I think you should give it a go. It's trackit-solutions.com. I'll go ahead and put up the URL and the address for the company so you know how to get to them. But again, I think it's a very interesting app. I think you guys will really get a lot of benefit out of it. So go ahead and take a look. If I can be of any help, please reach out to me personally. It's Daniel at Pinpoint Worldwide. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it.